Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up Google Drive onto an external hard drive. Now, the best way for us to do that is go to your Google Drive, and from here you're going to go ahead and locate that particular folder that you're working. Say for example this folder right here. What I can do is just very simple. I can just go ahead and click my keyboard, click Control A, and it's basically going to highlight everything that I have here. So if you have folders, files here, different kind of files, you just go ahead and click Control A. And yeah, from here I'm gonna go ahead and click the download button right here, and it's going to zip the entire files for me. If you have multiple files, what it's gonna do is it is going to create different zip files for you. So if you have, or if you are in that situation, I want you to go ahead and create a new folder and say for example call this one backup, and then you're just going to highlight everything except for that particular backup folder, and then you're going to put them in that backup folder. Now once you do that, you're going to do the same process, click this one and then a download. So in this case it's just going to zip that entire backup folder. Now you don't, or there's no way that that particular folder is going to be separated, so that happens sometimes. So yeah, go ahead and choose between the two methods which one you'd like to use, and then you can go ahead and put these zip folders into that particular hard drive that you want to back this up. And that, everybody, is how you're going to back up Google Drive onto an external hard drive.